Namaskar. Lately, there's been a lot of interest in magnesium tablets and magnesium supplements. Many people are now discovering how crucial this mineral really is for mental peace, muscle recovery, and heart health. You may not hear about it as often as iron or calcium, but magnesium is just as essential. It supports over 300 functions in our body, including energy production, nerve function, muscle relaxation, heart rhythm, and even sleep. Despite playing a role in hundreds of functions in our body, magnesium deficiency is one of the most common deficiency today. So today, let's understand why magnesium is so important for your overall well-being and how you can naturally maintain a healthy level. But first, let's understand what exactly are the benefits of magnesium in our body. Magnesium is involved every time you breathe, you move, digest, or try to sleep peacefully. Some of its functions are: magnesium helps in digestion and for energy production. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax and helps in reducing muscle cramps. It supports the production of happy hormone, serotonin, and sleep hormone, melatonin. Next, it maintains bone strength by regulating calcium and vitamin D. Magnesium is an electrolyte, and the deficiency in magnesium can lead to numbness, abnormal heart rhythm, and coronary spasm. Magnesium is important for sleep and anxiety and stress relief. Even studies have found that long-term magnesium deficiencies increases the risk of stroke, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson, and migraine. Despite being so important, many people today aren't getting enough magnesium. Now let's see why so many people have magnesium deficiency. Firstly, over farming has depleted soil magnesium. Second, high stress and cortisol level burn through magnesium store. Then we have lifestyle habits like having excess tea, coffee, processed food, sugar. Did you know that even over exercising can reduce the magnesium level in your body? Another common mistake that causes magnesium deficiency is cooking methods like boiling and straining dals or vegetables. This can cause magnesium to leach out. Now that you have understood the causes of magnesium deficiencies, let me guide you how you can get a natural amount of magnesium through food. Here are 4 unique, easy to make, naturally magnesium rich recipes using traditional Indian ingredients. First, we have banana stem and moringa soup. Both banana stem and moringa are the excellent source of magnesium and support digestion, liver health, and hormonal balance. To make this soup, you will need half cup finely chopped banana stem soaked in diluted buttermilk, 1 teaspoon moringa powder or 1 tablespoon fresh moringa leaves, a small piece of ginger, half teaspoon cumin seeds, rock salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups water. Take a pan and temper cumin seed with little ghee. Add banana stem, moringa and water. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Blend and strain if desired. Serve warm. Take once or twice a week as a light evening meal or pre-dinner tonic. The second recipe is a puffed lotus seed makhana and fig laddu. This is sweet, mineral-rich snack that's also calming for the nervous system. Among fruits, fig has the highest quantity of magnesium. Even research shows that figs are a very good source of magnesium. To make this unique laddus, you will need 1 cup dry roasted makhana, 3/4 dried figs soaked and smashed, 1 tablespoon grated dry coconut, a pinch of cardamom, a few drops of cow ghee. Start by coarsely grinding roasted makhana. Mix with smashed figs, coconut and cardamom. Bind it like laddu with little ghee. Store in airtight container. Have one as a mid-afternoon or post-dinner snack. It is high in magnesium, calcium and fiber and can help you control your cravings and hunger pangs. Third, we have a horsegram and coconut chutney. Horsegram is highly underrated. Excellent source of protein, magnesium and iron. The ingredients you need are 2 tablespoons boiled horsegram, 2 tablespoons grated coconut, half teaspoon roasted cumin, small piece of ginger, curry leaves, rock salt, lemon juice to taste. Blend everything into a chutney. Serve with rotis, dosas, idlis, upmas or steamed rice. Use this kurit 2 to 3 times a week. This builds deep strength and supports magnesium intake, especially during colder months. And finally, there is Ragi-Pistachio milk, which can be a night tonic for you. This is a sleep-friendly tonic, rich in magnesium, tryptophan, and natural calcium. Ingredients you will need are 1 teaspoon ragi flour, 1 cup water or diluted milk, preferably A2 or nut milk, 4 to 5 soaked pistachio unsalted, pinch of dry ginger or nutmeg, mishri or jaggery to taste. Now mix ragi flour in a little cold water to make a slurry. Add to hot milk or hot water and simmer for 5 minutes. Blend with pistachio, add jaggery, nutmeg, serve warm before bed. This not only gives you magnesium, but it also nourishes your tissues and calms the nerves. Now let me also show you some other plant-based magnesium sources. As you can see, banana, avocados, beet, quinoa seeds, broccoli, zucchini, they are all excellent sources of natural magnesium in your body. So you don't have to go on buying magnesium supplements from market to get your daily dose of magnesium. Eat natural to actually get the benefits of magnesium and avoid the complication of magnesium overdose from tablets and supplements. Now, towards the end, let me give you some lifestyle changes to help the body absorb magnesium. Avoid overcooking or draining mineral-rich food. Then don't combine magnesium-rich meal with excess caffeine. Third, sleep on time. Then remember that pranayam reduces cortisol and this helps body retain magnesium. Use natural oil like sesame or almond for massage. This helps in nervous system regulation and reduces magnesium loss through stress. Understand that magnesium works quietly, but its effect is powerful. When the body has enough of it, sleep improves, mood becomes stable, digestion feels lighter, and the mind is calmer. So take care of not just of what you eat, but how you eat and how you live. Avoid excess caffeine, stress, sugar, as these all drain magnesium from the system. And most importantly, don't wait for deficiencies to occur. Build small, mindful habits now, and the body will take care of the rest. Namaskar.